Hello friends, welcome to our channel Honest Mentor. Today we are going to learn and write 10 lines and essay on Peacock. So let's start. Peacock is a very beautiful bird.
And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken,
Its neck is long.
we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is
Its
blackness.
eyes are small. It has a crown on its head. The crown is very attractive. Peacock dance in the rain. Peacock likes clouds very much.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let
Peacock
go.
female is
I
called
close my eyes,
Pihan.
embrace the black. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's
Peacock lives in the garden and forest.
what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the
It is
anxious
also
and panic,
India's
the
national bird.
infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
I hope you will learn and enjoy watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. And like, share and subscribe and comment also. Thank you so much.